Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Messenger. Alright? If you have noticed that you changed your phone settings to dark mode and your Facebook's still on light mode, like for example here, as you can see, well, to be able to change it to dark mode is just go ahead and open up your Messenger, of course. Then go to these three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Click or tap on it. Alright? And as you can see here, there will be a gear icon right here at the top. Again, just go ahead and tap on it and just scroll a bit. Alright? And as you can see here, under profile section, you'll be able to see dark mode. Just go ahead and tap on it and just basically turn it on. Alright? As you can see here, we are now on Messenger's dark mode. As you can see here, here is what it looks like if you use a dark mode. We love a dark mode as it is easy on our eyes. And as you can see here, all right, you can go ahead and binge chat with your friends right here as it is on dark mode. Now to bring this back to white or light mode, again, just go ahead and tap on the gear icon right here. Then tap on dark mode, turn it off. All right. Once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.